proceed. Tangents and normals. Questions of tangents and normals. This is the question number 6. Find the slope of the normal to the curve x equals to 1 minus a sin theta and y equals to b cos square theta at theta equals to pi by 2. So we have given the function x equals to 1 minus a sin theta. Differentiate x with respect to theta. So dx by d theta. Differentiation of 1 is 0, minus a is common. Differentiation of sin theta is cos theta. Now the function y equals to b cos square theta. Differentiate y with respect to theta. So dy by d theta equals to b, and differentiation of cos square theta is 2 cos theta, and drop a square, then differentiation of cos theta is minus of sin theta. Then we calculate dy by dx. dy by dx is written as dy by d theta into d theta by dx. The value of dy by d theta is minus 2b cos theta into sin theta, and the value of dx by theta, d theta is known, and d theta by dx will become its reciprocal, so minus a cos theta. This is about dy by dx. So minus and minus cancel, cos theta cancel, and we get 2b by a into sin theta. This is the slope of tangent, and we know that slope of normal is given by minus 1 by dy by dx at theta equals to pi by 2. The point is given, theta equals to pi by 2. So we calculate dy by dx at theta equals to pi by 2, means 2b by a and sin pi by 2. Sin pi by 2 is 1, so it is 2b by a, and put the value, so 1 upon 2b by a, and it becomes a by 2. So this is the slope of the normal. The slope of the normal is a by 2b. This is minus 1 by, so minus a by 2b. This is the slope of the normal. See next question, question number 7. Question number 7. Find points at which the tangent to the curve. Find points at which tangent to the curve. Find points at which tangent to the curve, and the curve is given. Tangent to the curve y equals to x cube, y equals to x cube minus 3x square minus 9x plus 7, minus 3x square minus 9x plus 7 is parallel to the x-axis. Is parallel to the x-axis. Find points at which tangent to the curve is parallel to the x-axis. So firstly we will find the slope of the curve, means dy by dx. So y equals to x cube minus 3x square minus 9x plus 7. We calculate dy by dx. dy by dx means slope of the curve. So this is 3x square minus differentiation of x square is 2x, means it becomes 6x minus 9, and differentiation of 7 is 0. There is a formula. If tangent is parallel to x-axis, if tangent is tangent to the curve, if tangent to the curve is parallel to x-axis, then dy by dx equals to 0. Parallel to x-axis means theta equals to 0, and you know dy by dx equals to tan theta, and theta is 0, so the value of tan 0 will be 0. So if the tangent to the curve is parallel to x-axis, then dy by dx equals to 0. So we will make it equals to 0. dy by dx equals to 0. This means 3x square minus 6x minus 9 equals to 0, and 3 taken common. So x square minus 2x minus 3 equals to 0. This 3 will become 0, and it gives x square minus 2x minus 3 equals to 0. Make its factor x square minus 3x plus x minus 3 equals to 0. From first two terms x is common, so x minus 3. From these two terms 1 is common, x minus 3 equals to 0. We get two values of x. X equals to minus 1, and other value x equals to plus 3. So we get two values of x. X equals to minus 1, and the other value is x equals to 3. Now we will have to find the value of y. So put the value of x in the curve, in the original equation. Put the value of x. Put the value of x in first. So at x equals to minus 1, at x equals to minus 1, y equals to x cube minus 1 the cube minus 3 into minus 1 the square minus 9 into minus 1 plus 7. So we get minus 1 minus 3 plus 9 plus 7. So minus 4 plus 16, which is 12. So at x equals to minus 1, the value of y is 12. It means the point is minus 1 comma 12. Now the other point. So at x equals to 3, at x equals to 3, we will find the value of y. So y equals to x cube means 3 the cube minus 3 into 3 square minus 9 into 3 and plus 7. It gives 27 minus 27 minus 27 and plus 7. And it comes y equals to minus of 20. So the other point is at x equals to 3, the value of y is minus 20. So these are the 2 points. minus 1 comma 12 and 3 comma minus 2. 3 comma minus 2 and minus 1 comma 12. These are the 2 points at which the tangent is parallel to the x-axis. Next is question number 8. Find a point on the curve x minus 2 the whole square. X minus 2 the whole square. Find a point on the curve. Find a point on the curve. Y equals to x minus 2 the whole square. Find a point on the curve y equals to x minus 2 the whole square at which the tangent is parallel. At which the tangent is parallel. Tangent is parallel to the chord. The tangent is parallel to the chord joining the points. Joining the points 2 comma 0 and 4 comma 4. So in this question we have given that find a point on the curve. The equation of the curve is given and also the tangent is parallel. The tangent is parallel to the chord. Chord is also a line. Chord joining the points 2 comma 0 and 4 comma 4. So we find the slope from the curve y equals to x minus 2 the whole square, and for finding the slope we will have to find dy by dx, and also we find the slope of the chord. Slope of the chord, and then we equate both the slopes because the tangent is given parallel to the chord. So if two lines are parallel to each other, then their slopes must be equal. So firstly we will find the tangent to the curve, means dy by dx, and y equals to x minus 2 the whole square. So dy by dx equals to 2 into x minus 2. Then slope of the chord. Slope of the chord. Formula for finding slope of the chord. M equals to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, where m is the slope. This is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. We are given 2 points x1 y1 and x2 y2. So m equals to the value of y2 is 4 and y1 is 0. The value of x2 is 4 and the value of x1 is 2. x1 y1 x2 y2. So y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, and it gives 4 upon 2 means 2. And since the tangent to the curve is parallel to the chord, so their slopes must be equal. their slopes must be equal. This is also M, slope dy by dx. And if two lines are parallel to each other, this is the slope of tangent and this is the slope of the chord. Both are straight lines and they are parallel to each other. In the question we have mentioned. So if two lines are parallel, then their slopes must be equal. So equate their slopes. So 2 into x minus 2 is equals to 2. Then we get 2 and 2 cancelled and x minus 2 equals to 1 and the value of x comes to be 3. We get the value of x equals to 3. Now put the value of x in the curve. Put the value of x in the curve. So we get, this is the curve. So put the value of x in first number equation. So from first, y equals to x minus 2 the whole square and the value of x is 3. So 3 minus 2 the whole square means 1. So the point on the curve is 3 comma, this is the answer. 3 comma 1 is the point on the curve at which tangent is parallel to the chord. Tangent is parallel to the chord. Question number 9. Find the points on the curve. Find the points on the curve. Find the points on the curve. Find the points on the curve y equals to x cube minus 11x plus 5. Y equals to x cube minus 11x plus 5. So find the points on the curve y equals to x cube minus 11x plus 5 at which the tangent is. At which the tangent is. Y equals to x minus 11. The tangent is also given. Y equals to x minus 11. So find the points on the curve at which the tangent is given. So we find the slope from the curve. Y equals to x cube minus 11x plus 5. We find dy by dx. So dy by dx equals to 3x square minus 11 and differentiation of 5 is 0. Again also we will find the slope of the tangent. Slope of the tangent. Slope of the tangent. Y equals to x minus 11. This is the equation of line, means equation of tangent. We will find its slope. So dy by dx equals to 1 and differentiation of 11 would be 0. Since both are the same slope, so equate dy by dx. So 3x square minus 11 is equals to 1 and 3x square equals to 12 and x square equals to 4 and x equals to plus minus 1. So we get two values of x. X equals to plus 2 and x equals to minus 2. Now we will have to find the value of y. So the value of x always to be put in the equation of curve. So at x equals to y equals to x cube means 2 the cube minus 11 into 2 plus 5. So we get 8 minus 22 plus 5 and 13 minus 5 means minus 13 minus 22 minus 9. The value of y comes to be minus 9. So at x equals to 2, the value of y is minus 9. Now at x equals to minus 2, we will find the value of y at x equals to minus of 2. So y equals to minus 2 the whole cube minus 11 into minus 2 plus 5. So minus 8 plus 22 plus 5 and minus 8 plus 27 and this is 90. Y equals to 90. So there are 2 points. At x equals to 2, the value of y is minus 9 and at x equals to minus 2, the value of y is 90. Now put the value of x and y in the equation of tangent. Put the value of x and y means put the value of these 2 points in the equation of tangent. So the equation of tangent is y equals to x minus 11. Firstly put the value of x is 2 and minus y is minus 9. So minus 9 equals to 2 minus 11. So minus 9 equals to minus 9 means LHS equals to RHS. Now put the value this in the equation of tangent. So the value of y is 19. The value of x is minus 2 minus 11. So 19 is not equals to minus 13. It means this point is not to be taken because this point doesn't satisfy the equation of the tangent. So the answer will be, the point which should be taken is 2 comma minus 9 because this point satisfies the equation of the tangent. So this point is the valid point. See next question. This is question number 10. Question number 10 is find the equation of all lines having slope minus 1. Find the equation of all lines having slope minus 1. Find the equation of all lines having slope minus 1. We have to find the equation of lines having slope is minus 1 that are tangents to the curve, that are tangents to the curve, that are tangents to the curve. The tangents to the curve y equals to 1 upon x minus 1. Y equals to 1 upon x minus 1 and x is not equals to 1. So we have to find the equation of lines means equation of tangent which slope is minus 1. We have to find the equation of lines means equation of tangents which slope is minus 1 and that are tangent. वो जो लाइन हमें फाइंड आउट करनी है वो लाइन इस कर्व के ऊपर टेंजेंट है. The line which we have to find is tangent to the curve and the slope of that line is -1. So firstly we will find the slope from the curve. So y equals to 1 upon x minus 1. Differentiate dy by dx on the form u by v x minus 1 as it is. Differentiation of 1 is 0 minus 1 as it is. Differentiation of x is 1 upon v the square. So we get dy by dx equals to minus 1 upon x minus 1 the whole square. So we get the value of dy by dx minus 1 upon x minus 1 the whole square. Now the slope of the lines is also given, and line is the tangent, means both have the same slopes. So we can equate this slope to minus 1. So minus 1 upon x minus 1 the whole square equals to minus 1. This is the slope of the same tangent. So both have the slope of the same tangent line. So minus and minus cancelled, and x minus 1 the whole square equals to 1, and the value of x minus 1 equals to plus minus 1. So when we take x equals to plus 1, so x minus 1 equals to plus of 1 and x equals to 2. The first value of x is 2, and when we take x minus 1 equals to minus 1, then x equals to minus 1 plus 1, and the value of x is 0. So we get the true value of x. X equals to 2 and x equals to 0. Now we will find the value of y on these points. So at x equals to 2, the value of y is calculated by putting the value of x in the equation of the curve. So at x equals to 2, y equals to 1 upon x minus 1, means 1 upon 2 minus 1, which is 1. The point comes to be 2 comma 1. And at that point we have to find the equation of the tangent by taking the slope as minus 1. And when x equals to 0, so at x equals to 0, the value of y comes to be 1 upon 0 minus 1, which is minus 1. So another point comes to be 0 comma minus 1. Now equation of tangent, there are 2 points x1 y1. So equation of tangent, at point 2 comma 1 having slope h minus 1, because we have given that find the equation of the all lines having the slope minus 1, and point we have calculated 2 comma 1. So the equation of formula for equation of tangent is y minus y1 equals to dy by dx or slope m x minus x1. So the value y would be taken as it is. The value of y1 is 1, and the slope we have to take minus 1. X minus x1, the value of x1 is 2. So solve this equation. Y minus 1 equals to minus x plus 2. This minus x comes on left side. So x plus y equals to 2 plus 1, 3. So this is the first equation of tangent, means equation of line. X plus y equals to 3. Now equation of tangent. Equation of tangent at another point, and which is 0 comma minus 1 having slope equals to minus 1. So same formula, y minus y1 equals to m x minus x1. Y minus, the value of y1 is minus 1, so minus minus plus, and m is minus 1, x minus x1 is 0, so y plus 1 equals to minus x, and this becomes x plus y equals to minus 1. So this is the another equation, x plus y equals to minus 1 and x plus y equals to 3. So these are the equations of tangent.